Did we get here? Let's start from the beginning. All the way in the beginning, 2003. That's when Holmes, a 19-year-old Stanford dropout, started Theranos. She said she was inspired by her own fear of needles and had a mission of creating a cheap and more efficient way to get a blood test. Well, in 2009, Sunny Balwani joins the company. He later becomes Holmes' romantic partner as well as her business partner. In 2013, Theranos announced a partnership with Walgreens. 2014, fast forward, 2015, the Wall Street Journal investigates Holmes, a series by John Carreyrou, the investigative reporter, an award-winning reporter that exposes a lot of what was happening behind the scenes at Theranos and became essentially a blueprint for what you see today in this trial and a lot of the evidence that was brought forward to the jury that is now being polled and now filling out those forms. Well, in 2016, federal regulators started to notice issues with the Theranos lab, saying that the lab didn't comply with federal standards. That same year, Balwani stepped down and Holmes' net worth was reevaluated by Forbes from $9 billion down to zero. Then in 2018, Holmes and Balwani are indicted on criminal fraud charges. Balwani is set to stand trial separately. The prosecution says in all that time, Theranos bilked investors out of millions of dollars. In total, Holmes raised $945 million from investors, ultimately boosting Theranos' valuation to $9 billion. And